So if you're not yet where you want to be, why are you chilling? Seriously, why are you chilling? Why are you just scrolling through your phone? Not doing what you're supposed to be doing to get you to the point where you want to get to. You've watched approximately 52 million videos on how to lose weight, how to start a YouTube channel, how to start a side hustle, how to do this and how to do that, but you have yet to put any one of them to use. Oh, I get it. You're giving up. You're giving up because you posted one video and then you didn't get views. Or maybe you're giving up because you've posted 100 videos and you haven't gotten the views you want. Maybe you're not yet at your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours you want to monetize, but you're not there yet. Or maybe you try to lose weight and the weight is just not coming off. You keep trying and it's not happening. Oh, I get it. You've tried several side hustles and none of them has made money. And so you're deciding to give up. So let me ask you this question. Now, has giving up brought you the result you want? It hasn't. I know it hasn't. Now I want you to get up and do what you need to do. You see, life will favor you as you continue to do it. The more you do it, the better you get at it. Okay? Rome was not built in a day. The day you start is not the day you go viral. The day you start to lose weight is not the day you achieve your desired weight loss. It is gradual and you have to stay consistent at it. Or maybe you're bothered. You're bothered about what people will say. You're bothered about what the society will say. Or you're bothered about what your family will say. Let me tell you the truth. No one cares. The only person you should be bothered about now is you. And that is why I'm out here encouraging you to get up. It is the 10th day of January 2025. We're 10 days into the new year, but you still haven't done what you're supposed to do. Listen, if you have to post every day, post every day. You have to push yourself out of your comfort zone. You have to push yourself out of being comfortable to get what you need to get. You cannot keep sitting down and watching videos and watching self-help videos and hoping that these things will fall in your lap. You have to keep trying different side hustles before you get the one that finally hits it for you. You have to keep pitching to brands. You will pitch to 100 brands before one person will accept. You have to keep trying. I failed at several side hustles. I failed at even the same Etsy that I'm succeeding at now. I failed at it and I shut down the store. But I got up again. It is time for you to get up. Stop sitting down. Stop waiting. Stop looking at that video and saying it is not good enough. Stop saying your phone is not good enough. Stop saying your camera is not good enough. Stop saying you're not good enough. You have everything you have. For every season, every person, for every season, every human finds themselves in, they have what it takes to take them to the next level. They have what it takes to take them to the next level. You have the phone, you have the camera, you have the voice, you have the knowledge, you have the wisdom, you have everything it takes to push you to the next level. What everyone, what the universe, what God, what the earth is waiting for is your move. I know you're looking at that video and you're saying it's not perfectly edited. And that's the reason you've not posted anything this year. I want you to go ahead and post it like that. Understanding that if one person views it today, the next one you post will be better and then 2 people will view it. Okay, now everybody has a short attention span. Everybody is not patient anymore, right? Everybody wants to achieve immediately. We want to start a business and start to make millions immediately, but it takes patience. I want you to be patient with yourself. I want you to enjoy the ride. I want you to enjoy the journey. It is easy to get pressured. It is easy to get disconnected from a lot of things because you're trying to achieve something. But I want you to take a breath. I want you to take a deep breath and understand that you will get there eventually if you don't give up on yourself. So this is a wake-up call and to let you know that today is January 10th. 2025. You promised yourself consistency in January. You promised yourself to push yourself. You promised you were going to lose that weight. You promised you were going to start that course. You promised you were going to do that thing It is the 10th day of January. It is time for you to get up and start it right now if you haven't started it. If you used to post one time every week last year and you didn't get your desired result, now you need to double down on that. Double down on quality, double down on frequency, double down on consistency, double down on your message. You have a channel, but you're not using it. Do you know what the meaning of a channel is? One of the definitions of a channel is a method, a means in which you pass across information, a means through which you give. It is time to start to give. Use your channel as a channel. If all you know, my daughter sneezing up there is really funny. If all you know right now is the ABCs, do it. Use what you have right now. Stop limiting yourself. Break yourself out of that mindset of self-limitation and self-sabotaging and take yourself to the next level. The world is waiting. You're waiting for the day you wear your makeup. Just do it. Just do it. Do it without the makeup. Let us see your face. Let us relate with you. You're waiting for when your kids are asleep. Do it when they're awake. Let us relate with you. You're waiting for when you're going to be in a beautiful home. Do it where you are. Let us relate with you. Okay, let us see that you didn't fall from heaven. A lot of people are living in the same conditions. They have the same amount of children that you have, right? And they want to relate with that part of you. So it is time for you to do it and stop waiting. Don't wait until February. I know you said January, and now that it's January 10th, you're already saying, you know what, I'm going to start in February. No, start right now. This is a wake-up call, and I'm begging you, I'm asking you to start that thing. It doesn't have to be a YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be a side hustle. It could be anything. It could be losing weight. It could be getting fit. It could be eating more healthy. You can start from the simplest thing. You can start from the simplest thing. We're co-creators with God. That means that we have the ability and the capacity to create. I want you to tap into that capacity today. I want you to tap into that ability today, understanding that you are co-creators. And so you have everything you need within you. And so I'm challenging that person that is on the verge of giving up. I'm challenging that person that is doubting themselves because nobody saw their videos. I'm challenging that person that is doubting themselves because they are on the 1,000th video and they're still not monetized. I'm challenging you to give yourself a chance, and push through this challenge, because no situation stays. At the end of the day, you're going to come out of it. And when you come out of it, would you thank God that you did it, right? Now, a lot of people say that on people's deathbeds, they do not regret the things they did. They regret the things they didn't do. That means at the end of the day, you're going to regret the things that you didn't end up doing. So do it. If you fail at it, well, you learned that that is not your path. If you succeed at it, well, you learned that that is your path. But one thing you have to do is to do it. Take that bold step today. Do it. Don't get discouraged. Tough times come, tough times go, right? But I want you to know that I'm right here in your corner. I'm rooting for you, and I know you can do it because I have done it, okay? Taking myself from the pit of lack, want, depression, not knowing what I want to do, not knowing the next direction for my life, not being discouraged, being fully down and out and under, being able to pull myself back up. I know you can do it. And I know how hard it can be when you're in that place. But I want to encourage you, if you're watching this today, that you can do it. Get up, do it with what you have, with wherever you are. Just do it. You're more than enough. You have everything that you need. Now, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. And of course, I'll see you in the next one.